Communication is vital in modern day workflow, especially for us HeterMedia, as we provide services to those major players in financial and commercial markets. We talk to our clients all day long, and therefore, when we set up this new office last year, we knew that we need good conference room technology. We checked out a few different options, different brands, and Sennheiser just sound better. They have this new ceiling mics actually picks up everyone in the room, even the quiet talkers in the back. And you don't have to worry about the annoying echoes that drive everyone crazy. While cost is always a factor, we feel this as an investment in our team's productivity and frankly, the quality of our clients' interactions. Our teams sit in this conference room for hours every day, and the least we could do is to provide them some reliable tools to work on their projects. Sometimes the best feedback you can get is when people stop complaining about something. To be honest, no one is going to walk up to you and say, "Wow, you have a great ceiling microphones." But what we have noticed though is fewer interruptions during the meetings, and we don't hear, "Sorry, can you repeat that?" or "I can't catch that" nearly as often. We still have occasional issues though, but that's just technology. And overall, things just run much smoother right now. The main challenge was the timeline. We have to get everything ready in a very tight schedule. And we have this important client meeting coming up that we couldn't push back. Luckily, we have this Sennheiser partner that really did a great job for us. They understand our deadlines, work around our schedule. I was worried that they might rush things, but they didn't cut corners on the setup at all. Looking back, I think the best part of the whole experience is how simple it is. We don't have to worry about the technical stuff. We just tell them our problems and what we needed. That's it. During the office move, we had so many things to deal with, and having one less problem to worry about was a massive weight off our shoulders.